KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, a little bit of a dynamic weather pattern setting up for tomorrow, especially tomorrow evening with showers and some thunderstorms. A few possibly severe, but we don't see all the markers that would indicate we're going to see severe weather. But nonetheless, got to treat every front in February with respect. So here's the big picture. Got an upper level low in the west, high pressure in the Gulf of Mexico. That's pumping moisture into the southwest through Texas and into the deep south, where we have snow advisories, winter storm warnings across New Mexico, snow moving into the Texas Panhandle, blizzard warnings to the north, and closer to home, look at all the flash flood watches that are covering from northeast Texas all the way up through West Virginia, and that's where the heavy rain axis is going to be over the next several days, so that's good for us. And overall, we're just looking at more of a nuisance type of a weather pattern with scattered showers across the area. All the local radars right now indicating some showers, coastal Cameron Parish moving inland, and a little bit more in the way of activity along and north of I-10 up through St. Landry Parish. Some showers in around the Washington area, and then approaching Marksville shortly, and a few showers into Lafayette Parish from Karen Crow back through just to the northeast of Doosan. Few spotty showers in around St. Martinville as well. And that's the way it's going to go tonight. Just a few widely scattered showers, not looking at anything big overnight tonight. Finally, our front moves back to the north as a warm front. We'll see scattered showers through tomorrow, maybe some fog developing by morning, and temperatures actually rise into the mid-60s by daybreak. Here's that area of low pressure that'll be pushing on through. We'll see scattered activity during the afternoon, but the models have not been going for a whole lot in the way of activity, as there doesn't seem to be a lot of phasing for showers and thunderstorms, especially out ahead of the front. As the front pushes on through, it looks to get a little bit busier, but then the front outruns the upper level dynamics that'll create the environment for showers and storms, so that severe weather risk looks marginal going into early Thursday. Maybe a few showers first thing in the morning, but it's just going to be a mostly cloudy, breezy, and cool day with temperatures dropping back down into the mid-50s for a high. So the Storm Prediction Center is still maintaining a slight risk of severe weather. We'll see if they maintain that during the overnight update, but nonetheless, the possibility of a storm or two that could cause damaging winds, perhaps an isolated tornado. I would think that would be most likely up into Mississippi. And as we look at our wind profile here, I really don't see strong markers here for, say, Lafayette, south wind at 12. Yeah, pretty good wind at 850 millibars, and the numbers are stronger as you get farther aloft, but they're certainly more representative of a severe weather scenario as we go through tomorrow evening. Again, I'd like to see at least 60, 70 mile an hour winds at that 850 millibar level, which is about 5,000 feet up. So not expecting a widespread severe weather event. Rainfall wise, we're going to see generally less than an inch of rain. Most spots about a half inch. Couple of isolated spots could pick up an inch and a half to 2 inches, but no flooding anticipated. One thing you will notice, quiet tomorrow morning, but watch how the winds pick up tomorrow afternoon. We'll see gusts to 35 to 40 during the course of the afternoon, early evening, so we'll keep an eye on that as well. Here's the 24-hour forecast, and we're letting the computer doing the writing here on those rain chance numbers for the day parts. Slight risk of those severe storms late tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. Again, it's not going to be an all-day rain, but on and off showers and a few storms as we get into deep tomorrow. A little bit of in the way of rain early Thursday. Friday looks to be finally a nice day, and unsettled clouds with showers returning for the weekend, but the weekend does not look like a washout at this point. Just scattered activity.
All right, very good. Thanks, Rob.